Okay, 1 item, 2 item. Dagan kaya mo inani sa crates. So, ang masulod rin sa balikbayan box is 3 crates. Hindi na ito siya 4 ba? It's okay. Nagamay na ang balikbayan box karon. Ay, nako. Okay, next item. Kayaya's Pre-Love Jacket. Oh, ito siya butandari. Next item. Ang prom siya, you guys. Kumalog abay. Ay, nara. Tada! From Forever 21. Brand new with a tag. Dress. Long dress. Brand new with a tag. Large. Donya necklace. That is Pre-Love. Glasses. Magamay madako. Jacket. Wallet. Kamu na rin mag sulod ani. Ayan. Another long sleeve. Another crates. Belt. Plain shirt. Sausawan. Nightgown. Teapot. Hit kaayo. Headband. From Forever 21. Yaya's Pre-Love top. Picture frame. Okay, habol. Journal. Dress. Pre-Love from Ati. One of Ati. Hair clip from Forever 21. Another jacket. This is Yaya's Pre-Love. Light use lang siya from H&M. Third crates. Another wallet or passport wallet. Not sure. Pre-Love from Ati. One of Ati. Pouch. Na ay gamay issue. Pero masira pa man po. Plain shirt. Another pouch. What's up, bud?
Here we go, see it. I got everything set up, but